Okay, so this is 18 coasters, and they are milled, trimmed to the dimensions, and I have profiled the corners. And like every coaster I've made for the last year, I will now put some kind of edge profile, and seems like it's in vogue for this season. I'm going to do very thick roundovers, 1/4 inch roundovers, I think. Maybe it's 1/8. I don't really know how to measure those. That's it. And then 10 hours of sanding. And then 5 days of finishing. Super easy. I don't know why anybody else doesn't do this. Last one. Here we go. It's dinner time, and sometimes that means snacks. I'm sure you've seen all of these in the background, but tonight really splurged. We got chicken fajita from Kroger, and it was reduced to $3.99. So I got some El Cheapo tortillas, and actually looks pretty decent, and it smells great. All right. Got some peppers in here, some onions, and of course, chicken breast, which maybe this is controversial, but white meat is the best meat. That's just the way I feel. So the other night, I was attempting to level this because there was a hump right there. So I used the sander to level it down, and then I got to thinking, wow, you know, it'd be kind of cool to like distress this. And then I got into it, and a little bit this evening, and yeah, it's gonna be too much work. So I think I'm gonna get some paint stripper or something and just remove all of the blue-gray paint off of this bench top here. Of course, that means that this is gonna have to be taken out again, and this T-track is gonna have to be removed. I'd like to get it down to the bare plywood and then put several coats of Total Boat Halcyon on it. And that stuff is just really great for work surfaces because it's pretty durable and makes it nice and smooth and easy to clean. Whereas this surface is nice and rough, and dust just clings right to it. I guess we haven't made any money here yet.